Hello, hi. Today we will start the very simple chapter arithmetic progression in an exercise 5.1. इससे पहले we already discussed about what is the AP and why it is in AP. And today we will start first question of exercise first 5.1. And now, in which of the following situation does the list of number make an AP? It means you have given 4 part and you have to check. 2 part I have written and 2 part means which of the following numbers, here is the part is given, means which make AP. If they make AP, why they are in AP, means AP में है और क्यों है, why we have they are in AP. Solution. And the first question is the taxi fare after each kilometer, means after each kilometer, the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer, it means fare for first A part, fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. It means fare or charge for first kilometer is equal to rupees 15, and 8 for each additional charge. Taxi fare after each kilometer means additional charge, each additional kilometer means 8 rupees per kg. If here is A and B and this is first kilometer and its charge is 15, and after that each kilometer, this is also 1 kilometer, it is also 1 kilometer, and the charge is 8 rupees 8. Additional charge per kilometer, each kilometer is rupees 8. It means fare for the first kilometer is rupees 15 and fare for second kilometer, fare for 2 kilometer, fare for 2 kilometer. 1 kilometer is here 15 and plus rupees 15 plus rupees 8. This is 23 rupees 23. And the fare for 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer means 15 plus 8 plus 8. 15 rupees 15 plus rupees 8 plus rupees 8 is equal to 15 plus 8 23, and this is 31. It means if we are assuming for the first kilometer is A1, if we are assuming A1 is equal to 15 and A2 is equal to 23 and A3 is equal to 31, and now we have to find out what D. D is equal to A2 minus A1, and D is equal to 23 minus 15. 23 minus 15 is equal to 8, and again D is equal to A3 minus A2. D is equal to, what is A3? 31 minus, what is A2? 23. So D is equal to 31 minus 23. This is 8. This is D is 8 and D is also is 8. Here 8. That means common difference is same. When common difference is same, then it is in AP. Therefore, what we will write here is, therefore it is in AP because common difference is same. Common difference is same. And this is first part of first question of exercise 5.1. And now move to question number second part, B part. Here is the B part, the amount. Is it clear? Now move to B part. B part, the amount of air present in the cylinder. Here is cylinder, and the air is, I don't know, V is the volume of air in the cylinder, which is V1. V1 is the initial volume of air inside the cylinder, and when vacuum pump is removed 1/4 of the air remaining in it, it means here is V1, V1 is equal to V, and with the help of vacuum pump, means vacuum pump means removing air, removing of air with the help of vacuum pump. We are using vacuum pump, then the air will be taken out, remove how much? 1/4. 1/4 of its volume is taken out. If this is volume V, and now here is 1/4 is taken out. 1/4 of which one? V is taken out. Taken out means this is taken out. Remove, minus. And what is left? Here is what is left. Initial is V minus what is taken out? 1/4 V. Here is V, 1/4 is taken out, and this is equal to V minus 1/4 V, and this is V2. V2 is the volume in the cylinder when 1/4 of the volume is taken out. V is the initial volume, V1, 1/4 is taken out, then V minus 1/4 is taken out, then what is the remaining is left, and we will calculate it. And after that again 1/4, 1/4 of the remaining, 1/4 of which one? This one. It means we have to solve this one. We have to solve this one. Here is V1 is equal to V, and V2 is equal to V minus 1/4. And what is V1? V1 is the initial volume inside the cylinder, and V2 is the volume of air inside the cylinder after removing 1/4. And what is your answer? Here is 1. So what we will do? Taking LCM. What is LCM? Is 4. 4 is LCM, and 4 is divided by 1. 4 is divided by 1. This is answer. 4 multiply V, 4V, minus 4 divided by 4, 1 multiply 1V. 4V minus V. This is 3V upon 4. It is V2. V2 is 3/4V. This is V2. This is V2. Here is V2. And now 1/4 is removed. What is question is saying? 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. And now the remaining volume inside the cylinder, this one. This is the remaining. Here is the volume of air is V. 1/4 is taken out, and the remaining volume is 3/4V. V2 is the volume of air inside the cylinder after removing 1/4. 1/4 volume is taken out. V 1/4 is taken out. Here is 3/4V, and then what is left? 3V upon 4. It means 3 upon 4V is taken out of the remaining. What is remaining? 3V, means 3V upon 4. And then what is the answer? Answer is, here is the box. What is the volume? Means here is 3/4 is left. V minus what is taken out? 1/4. 1/4 of 3/4V. 1/4 of the remaining. This is remaining, and 1/4 of the remaining. This is V. V is the volume. V minus 1/4 of remaining. This is V. This is remaining. 1 minus 1/4 is taken out. Then this is the V3. And now what is V3? V3 is equal to, this is 3V upon 4 minus, here is 3 1 ja 3, V upon here is 4 4 ja 16. And now we have to solve it by taking LCM. Try to find out. Try to find out. And I am solving it here. Here is V3. V3 is equal to V3 is equal to 3 by 4 V minus 1 by 4 3 V upon में 4. V3 is equal to 3 by 4 minus 3 बन जा 3 V upon में 16. And now what is taking LCM? 16. 16 divided by 4, answer is 4. LCM is 16. LCM of 4 and 16 is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 multiply 3. Here is V. 4 multiply 3, 12. V minus 16 divided by 16, 1. 1 multiply 3V, 3V. And your answer is 12V minus 3V is equal to 9V upon में 16. This is the volume of air inside the cylinder after removing 1 by 4 of the remaining. And this is V3. This is V3. 9V upon में 4. 9V upon में, 16. And now we have to check whether it is in AP or not. This is your question. And now, what is V1? V1 is equal to V. What is V2? V2 is equal to 3 by 4V. What is V3? This one V3. V3 is 9V upon में 16. And what we have to find out? Common difference. What is the common difference? D. D is V2 minus V1. What is V2? 3V upon में 4 minus V1 V. And what is your answer? Here is LCM is 4 and answer is 4 divided by 4. 1 multiply 3 3V minus 4 divided by 1 4 multiply V. This is 4V. Answer is minus V upon में 4. And now again D is equal to V3 minus V2. What is V3? Here is V3. 9V upon में 16 minus V2 3V upon में 4. Now taking LCM. And now what is LCM? LCM is 16. LCM is 16. And solve it. Try to solve it and find its value. Okay. Do it fast. 16 divided by 16. 1 multiply 9V. 9V minus 16 divided by 4. 4 multiply 3. 12V is equal to minus 3V upon में 16. This is D and this is also D. Both are same? No. So that means it is not in AP. Why? Common difference is not same. This is the second part of first question. And now we have to move to second question. Question number second, write first 4 term of the AP when the first term A and common difference is D. A and common difference D, common difference D are given as follow. And this is the A, first part. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. And second part, A is equal to 0, A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. And the third part, A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. And the fourth part, A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to 1 by 2. This is solution. This is your question. And now write the first four term. First four term means first part. First four term are means A1, A2, A3, A4. These are the first four term. Whereas A1 means A. We have to find out A plus D, A plus 2D or A plus 3D. I think you know it very well. A2, A plus D, A3, A plus 2D, A4, A plus 3D. I already explained you in previous videos. A1 is equal to A1 is equal to A, and which is equal to 10. First part, A is equal to, we have given what is A? First part, A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. That means A1 is equal to 10 and this is A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1. Formula is this one, or you know it very well. Formula, what is formula? A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A1 plus D. What is the value of A1? A1 is 10. 10 plus D. D means 10. 10 plus 10. This is 20. And now A3 is equal to A2 plus D. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. What is A2? A2 is 20. 20 plus D 10 is equal to 30. We have to find out four term. And A4 is equal to A3 plus D. What is A3? This is 30. And plus D. D is 10. 30 plus 10, 40. That means four terms are, find yourself. What is the four term then? What is the possible four term? Four terms are first, here is 10, here is 20, here is 30, here is 40. These are the four terms. And you know very well, this A1, the A2 minus A1 is equal to D. That means this is minus, here is will be, when we transpose, जब इसे transpose करेंगे तो sign will change. A1 plus D, sign का जाता है change, A1 plus D. And similarly A3, you know it very well. What is A3? A3 minus A2 is equal to D. A3 is equal to, here is minus, and that will be plus, A2 plus D. And you know the value of A2. All the question we will do in this way. Then the second part. Again, the A1 is equal to A and A2 minus A1 is equal to D. So A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A1 plus D. And now A3 minus A2 is equal to D. So what is A3? A3 is equal to, this is minus and here will be plus, A2 plus D. It means next term is always be differ by D. And now similarly A4 we can calculate. And now the second part. What is A? A is minus 2. A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. And then A1 is equal to A minus 2. This is your first term. And the second term, A2 is equal to second term. A2 is the second term, means A1 plus D. You know formula? A2, this one. What is A2? A1 plus D. What is A1? A1 is minus 2 plus D. What is D? 0. So minus 2 plus 0, this is minus 2. So that means A2 is equal to minus 2. A2 is equal to minus 2. Is it clear? This is your formula. And you have to keep in your mind. This is your A2. And now, what is A3? A3 is equal to A2 plus D. A3 is equal to, what is A3? Is equal to A2 plus D. What is A2? Minus 2. Here we will put minus 2 plus D is equal to 0. So minus 2 plus 0, this is minus 2. So D is, A3 is equal to minus 2. It is minus 2. So first four term, here we have to find out four term. So A4, What is A4? A4 is equal to A3 plus D. What is A3? Minus 2. Plus 0 is equal to minus 2. A4 is equal to minus 2. A4 is equal to minus 2. A4 is equal to minus 2. Then, what is the value of first 4 term? Then first 4 term. First 4 term are. Now check it. First 4 term. First 4 term. First 4 terms are. A1 is minus 2. Again minus 2. A3 minus 2. And A4 minus 2. These are the first 4 terms of second part. Question number 2. And move to third part. And all the questions are same. Are A1, A2, A3 and A4. We have to find out this one. A1 is equal to, what is A1? A, which is equal to, here what is given to us? A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. Then what is A1? A1 is equal to A. And what is the value of A? Is 4. Is 4. Now find A2. Now tell me what is A2? Check it. What is the value of A2? Formula of A2. A1 plus D. A1 plus D. What is A1? 4. What is D? Minus 3. 4 plus minus 3. 4 minus 3. Which is equal to 1. A plus D. 4 plus minus. Minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. What is A2? What is A2? A2 is here 1 plus D is minus 3. It is 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. And now A4 is equal to A3 plus D. And you have to find out yourself. Find fast. Fast find out. What is A3? A3 is minus 2 plus D. What is D? Minus 3. Minus 3. So that means minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. And the first 4 term. Then the first 4 term. First 4 term are. What are the first 4 term? Here is 4. Answer is 4, comma. A2 is 1. A3 is minus 2. A4 is minus 5. These are the first 4 term of third part. And now we will move to fourth part. Here is the fifth part also. What is the fifth part? A is equal to minus 1.25. What is D is equal to? 0.25. Minus 0.25. And the fourth part. This is your third part. This is your third part. And move to fourth part. We will move to fourth part. First, this portion is same. And this is different. And now we have to find out only this value. I think you know it very well. This is the same for all part. But A is fourth part. For fourth part, first is over, second is over, third is over. And fourth part is A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to, and D is equal to 1 by 2. Here is A1 is equal to A minus 1, A2 is equal to A1 plus D. What is A1? A1 is equal to A minus 1 plus D, half. D is half. Now what we will do? Taking LCM, find yourself. Check yourself fast. निकालिए. You have to find out yourself fast. Here is taking LCM is 2. 2 divided by 1. इस 2 को डिवाइड करेंगे इस 1 से. 1 और 2 LCM is 2. 2 को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. 1 into 1 1. Here is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Here is A3 is equal to A2 plus D. What is A2? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. What is D? D is 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 minus, this will be cut. Answer is 0. Both will cut. So A3 is equal to 0. And what is A4? A3 plus D. A3 plus D. What is A3? 0. A3 is 0 plus D. 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So what we have to do? First four terms are, what are the first four terms? Minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Check your answer and try to find out the fifth part. I am giving you 1 minute to solve it. Fifth part, do yourself fast. Now the fifth part, A1 is equal to A. What is A? Minus 1.25. A2, A1 plus D. What is A1? What is A1? Minus 1.25 plus D. What is D? D is minus 0.25. Here is plus, here is minus. Plus minus minus. So that means minus 1.25 minus 0.25. Here minus, here minus. तो माइनस माइनस क्या होते हैं? प्लस. तो minus 1.25 minus minus plus, need not to write minus. चलो minus, and here is also minus 0.25. पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट, here is पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट, पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट. तो we have to add 550. This will be 5 point, this is 1. Here is minus. तो answer is minus 1.50. Minus 1.50 is your answer. And now A3. We have to move A3. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. What is A2? Minus 1.50 plus minus 0.25 plus minus minus 1.5 minus 0.25 minus minus plus होते हैं. माइनस माइनस क्या होते हैं? प्लस. तो व्हाट इज योर आंसर? minus 1.50 minus 0.5 25 5 7 and point and minus 1. Minus minus plus and sign will be of minus. Minus 1.75. This is our A3. And now what we have to find out? A4. A4 is equal to A3 plus D. A3 plus D. What is A3? A3. This is your A3 is here. Minus 1.75 plus D minus 0.25. Here is minus 1.75 minus 0.25. ये minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. Here is minus plus. We have to add minus 1.75 minus 1.75 minus 0.25. Here is minus 5. Here is 0. Here is 2 minus. Here is minus 2.00. These are the four terms. Means four terms are. What are the four terms? Then four term are first four terms are, what are the first four terms? Minus 1.25 minus 1.50 minus 1.75 minus 2. These are the first four terms. Is it clear? Is it clear? And now move to question number 3. Solution. For each of the following AP means it is also in AP. It is already in AP. If the given number will already in AP. If given number are already in AP, then what? If given number will already in AP, then common difference is same. Then common difference is same. Means D is equal to A2 minus A1. It is clear? And now we have to find out, write the first term. Because for each of the following, it is already in AP. So what is the first term? Here is first term. A1 is the first term, which is equal to A3. A first term. This will be first term. It is clear? And A1 is equal to 3 and A2 is equal to 1. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Here is A1 is equal to A is equal to 3. First term, and A2 is equal to 3. Then we have to find out D. D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. Tell me. 1 minus 3. Answer is minus 2. Answer is minus 2. So what is what we have to find out? First term. Therefore first term is equal to 3 common difference is equal to minus 2. This is our answer. Is it clear? And move to second part. This will be same. Statement is same. And this value will be different. And for the second part, what is A? Common difference same. A2 minus A1. What is A1? A1 is equal to 1 by 3. First term. This is A2. Second term 5 by 3. A3, A4. A1, A2, A3, A4. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. What is A1? A1 means A is equal to 1 by 3. D is common difference. What is the formula of D? What is the formula of D? A2 minus A1. What is A2? A2. What is A2? A2 is, here is A2. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. And you know, when LCM denominator is same. Here is 3, 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 3. That means first term is equal to 1 by 3 and the common difference is equal to 4 by 3. This is our answer. And this is the question number 3. And check it, note it down first. And now move to question number 4. Which of the following Here is question number 4. First part. 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now check question. Which of the following are in AP? Which of the following are in AP? Means if it is written in question, which are in AP, means you have to find out D A2 minus A1, D A3 minus A2, means you have to find out D two times. Means A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. Or it may be possible you can find out also any two consecutive numbers difference. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि पहले 3 नंबर एपी में हो, चौथा नंबर एपी में ना हो. तो प्लीज चेक द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. उस क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से देखना, कहीं ऐसा ना हो पहले 2 में 3 में नंबर में एपी आ रहा है और उसके बाद दैट विल बी नॉट इन एपी. तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट एनी डिफरेंस बिटवीन two consecutive number, any two consecutive number, but I am taking A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2, or we can take also D is equal to A4 minus A3, but we have to check only 2 times. Means we have to find out common difference minimum 2 times. 2 बारी तो आपने कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालना है. कब? व्हेन इट इज मेंशन इट इज इन एपी. जब ये मेंशन करता हूं, व्हेन इट इज मेंशन इट इज इन एपी, अदरवाइज नीड नॉट टू फाइंड आउट. फर्स्ट पार्ट 2, 4, 8, 16, 1, 1, 1. What the question is saying? If they form AP, if they are in AP, means common difference is same. 2 times you have to find out. If common difference is same, then next find common difference and next we 4 term. What the question is saying, first you have to check whether the given number are in AP. सबसे पहले आपने ये चेक करना है कि गिवन नंबर AP में है या नहीं है. तो दैट मीन A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 4, A3 is equal to 8, A4 is equal to 16. We have to find out D, A2 minus A1. We have to find out A2 minus A1. What is A2? Find yourself. And again D, A3 minus A2. मैंने A3 माइनस A2 निकाला है, आप A4 माइनस A3 भी कर सकते हैं. वी कैन फाइंड आउट A4 माइनस A3. फाइंड आउट फास्ट. What is A2 minus A1? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. A3, what is A3? Here is A3. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. D here is 2. D here is 4. D is not same. यहां पर D की वैल्यू 2, यहां पर D की वैल्यू 4. कॉमन डिफरेंस इज नॉट सेम. कॉमन डिफरेंस इज नॉट सेम, therefore it is not in AP. अच्छा बेटे, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल राइट ओनली CD. CD means C dot D means common difference. अगर उसने पूछा है कि इट इज इन AP, देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट 2 times D. You have to find out 2 times D. And now move to second part. Move to second part. What is the second part? Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, 1, 2 and 3 if they are in AP. Here is A1. A1 is equal to minus 1.2. A2 is equal to this one minus 3.2. A3 is equal to minus 5.2. A4 is equal to minus 7.2. We have to find out D. What is D? A2 minus A1. Yeah, A3 minus A2. Yeah, A4 minus A3. Any. A2 minus A1. A2 minus 3.2 minus. This is the formula of minus. Minus this one. ये वाला minus है. फिर bracket A1 is minus 1.2. Here is minus. Here is minus. Minus 3.2 minus minus plus 1.2. दोनों को क्या कर देंगे? Plus. Sorry, एक plus एक minus. एक plus एक minus. Minus 3.2 1.2. Here is plus. Here is answer 2. Minus 2. Answer is minus 2. This is D. And again we have to find out D. D is equal to A3 minus A2. What is A3? A3 is minus 5.2 minus what is A2? A2 is minus 3.2. Here is minus. Here is minus. Minus 5.2 minus minus plus. Here is 3.2. ये माइनस ये प्लस एक माइनस एक प्लस तो what is your answer? Same. Minus 5.2 plus 3.2 means minus 2. Here is minus 2. Common difference is 2. Common difference is 2. It means it is in AP? Yes. Common difference is CD is same. CD is same. Therefore, it is in AP. फिर उसके बाद क्या करा है? Find common difference. तो common difference क्या? What will be the common difference? This will be. It is in AP. Then common difference. Common difference. What is common difference? Is equal to minus 2. So I have already proved it is in AP. Yes, it is in AP. And common difference. This is minus 2. And next, net 3 more term. 3 more term means here is A1, A2, A3, A4. We have to find out A5. We have to find out A5. You know formula of A5? A5 is equal to A4 plus D. What is A4? A4 plus D. A4 plus D. What is A4? A4 is, here is A4, minus 7.2 plus D. D is minus 2. Minus 2. And this is minus plus minus minus. Minus 7.2 minus 2. Here is add. You have to add. Minus 7.2 minus 2 0. So that will, what is your answer? Minus 9.2. Point क्या आगे कुछ नहीं है तो we will write 0. 9.2. Answer is minus. अगर आप देखोगे यहां पर 1 आ रहा है, 1 के बाद 3 आ रहा है, 3 के बाद 5, 5 के बाद 7, 7 के बाद क्या आएगा 9. तो ऑटोमेटिकली दो A का डिफरेंस आ रहा है. A6. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. What is A5? This one. Minus 9.2 plus minus 2. Here is 11.2. ऐड करो बेटे 11.2 आ गया. फिर A7. A6 plus D. A6 plus D. What is A6? Minus 11.2 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 13.2. So these are the next 3 terms. Check it and we will solve next question and try to find out the solution. And the fifth part. Fifth part, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, 1, 2, 3. We will find this number when it is in AP. Here is, what is A1? It is A1, it is A2, it is A3, it is A4. What is A1? A1 is equal to 3. A1 is equal to A is equal to 3. What is A2? A2 is 3 plus root 2. What is A3? A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. What is A4? 3 plus 3 root 2. And now we have to find out D. What is D? A2 minus A1. What is A2? This is your A2. 3 plus root 2 minus what is A1? A3. ये 3, this will 3 cut. What is left? Root 2. And D again A3 minus A2. What is A3? Here is A3. What is A3? 3 plus 2 root 2. Bracket minus what is A2? Here is 3 plus root 2. भाग रहेगा साइन माइनस साइन विल चेंज. तो what is your answer? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus minus minus. Here is plus, here is minus, plus minus minus root 2. This 3 will cut 2 root 2 minus root 2. देखो ये 2 root 2 है, ये क्या है root 2. And you have done in 9th class. ये 2 root 2 है, ये 1 है. तो 2 में से बन गया 1 root 2 and 1 need not to write. This is your D. D मेरे पास एक बार ये आया, एक बार ये आया. Common difference is same. तो क्या लिखेंगे बेटे? It is in AP. Why? Common difference is same. तो देखो बेटे D, what is D? D is root 2. तो इट मीन D root 2 है, तो root 2 ऐड करते जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट थ्री टर्म, दिस इज A4. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट A5. A5 कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. देखिए here is 3 प्लस रूट 2 क्या आ गया 1, 3 प्लस रूट 2 एक के बदले 2 हो गया, एंड रूट 2 3 प्लस रूट 2. तो here is 3 प्लस A4 मीन्स 4 रूट 2 आ जाएगा. Here is A4, 4 है, 4 के बदले हाथी, यहाँ 3 रूट 2 2, here is A2, 2 रूट 2 1. तो A5 3 प्लस 4 रूट 2, A6 3 प्लस 5 रूट 2, A7 3 प्लस 6 रूट 2. These are the necessary term and check it कि कैसे आया. I will show you again. ये आया कैसे, देखिए, listen carefully. A5 is equal to A4 plus D, and what is A4? Here is A4, this one, 3 plus 3 root 2, and what is D? Root 2. ये 3 same plus ये root 2 3 है, ये root 2 1. देखो here is 1, here is 1, here is 3. root 2 is common. Root 2 is common. What is when root 2 is common? What is left here? 3 plus here is 1. 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 1 4. So answer is 3 plus 1 4 root 2. It is my answer. You check it here. Is it clear? And this is the exercise of 5.1. That's for today. And in next we will start 5.2 and of chapter 5. Thanks.